Okay, so I just picked this up today. It's a Carrier Siesta. It's from 1983, I believe. Um, I got this off of Craigslist. It was free. Uh, the ad had actually been up for almost 24 hours and nobody else wanted it, so uh, I replied to it and it was still available, so I went and got it. Um, Not in the greatest shape. Supposedly it works. I have not turned it on yet. Just took it out of my car. Side panels look like they're okay. There's a little split there. They look okay otherwise. This grill is broken. It's a big chunk missing out of it. I didn't know that when I picked it up. There was no mention that the grill was broken. He only had one fuzzy picture. Anyway, you can't really complain if it's free. He did say it worked. There's the back. It's got a little rust down there at the drain holes. It doesn't look too bad. Fortunately, I didn't have to drive too far. It was only about 4 miles from my house. The exhaust button does not work. Opens the exhaust, but it's not staying down. It doesn't ratchet. Thermostat seems to work. You can hear the click. Alright, so I got it plugged in. Let's just turn it on. And then Siesta. That sounded good. Maybe not. I think the fan's not working. I think the fan does not work. Unbelievable. You know, never believe people when they tell you things work, because this does not work. This guy actually said in the ad, it said works fine. That is not working fine. Alright. It sounded like the compressor came on, but the fan doesn't work. This feels a little bit cold. That's just the compressor not coming on. It's recharging. So yeah, the fan doesn't work. Unreal. Well, so there's the Carrier Siesta. Not working. Unreal. Well, the compressor's on now, but there's no fan. I don't know what's wrong with people. I mean, why do you say something's working when it's obviously not working? Got it on fast and then up. There it goes. Wow. Oh my God. Alright, so the fan's running now. Definitely something wrong with it. It sounds like there's something caught inside of it. I mean, it is blowing cold air. Alright. Sounds like a lawnmower. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna have to take the cover off, see what's wrong with this. Okay, cover's off. And I see what the problem is. This lower part of the radiator's rusted off, the mount down there. Fan rubs against the guard. Doesn't look like there was a whole lot holding it to the wasn't a whole lot holding it on right there. It's a little thin piece that just rusted away or broke. Kind of compressors in this. It's a Matsushita, however you pronounce that. I don't know. Motors made in Argentina. Not anything USA made on this. This is made in Brazil. It's a 6100 BTU. What's the date? What is it? Does that say 86? Yeah, I thought it was 83. It's 86. Here's your exhaust thing. I'm not really sure how this ratchet works. It's all plastic. There's probably something broke off in there. That's not a big deal. I would like to just get this clear of the fan blade. Even if I push it back, it's still like the blade's still touching the guard. The fan looks kind of, the blade looks like it's crooked, sort of. Seems like it's attached over here. It only attached to the case right here. I don't think that would do a whole lot. Here's the other mount. I don't know. Don't know. I don't know if I even want to mess with this. This just clips over this. And if this were pushed back, it should be straight, but it's not. One of these blades is off a little bit, but it's a really tight fit in there. Yeah, I don't know about this. Alright, I think we're going to end the video. So that's a look at the carrier free. People say something works, don't believe them. No matter how nice they seem, it's because quite often it does not work. Okay, see ya.